Cosby, he just got out. He's got time on his hands. Amy Winehouse. Dude, Amy Winehouse is fucking...
Hey everyone, I'm Shanice and welcome to my channel if you are new. Also, I just want to mention, if you're new to my channel, I have done reactions to Alice in Borderland, Arcane, The Witcher Season 2, and I'm currently watching Attack on Titan, Jujutsu Kaisen, I always mispronounce that name. If I said it wrong, I apologize, and obviously Peacemaker. So after this video, you may want to check those individual playlists and binge watch my stuff and give it a like. I'm not going to do a recap. I'm just curious as to if Peacemaker's going to find out that Vigilante was trying to, his father, or if he's going to find out that Leota was the one that kind of put that idea into his head. So without further ado, let's get into it. It's called Monkey Dory. Like Hunky Dory, but Monkey Dory. What kind of concoction is that?
And I appreciate you taking this work for a couple months to get us back on our feet, even though you didn't want to.
Does she know exactly what she does or not? I don't know.
Since then, we found the creatures in a handful of high-profile politicians, celebrities, and titans of industry. They enter the human body through one of its orifices and burrow through...
Oh my god!
They go through the butt?
Butterflies' unique genetic structure and chemistry interact with the host bodies, giving them strength far beyond that of a human being.
What's the chimp for?
Chimpanzees have 4 times the strength of human beings.
I was thinking they were about to go on an adventure together.
This viscous amber fluid has been found in...
Why'd you put him there, you fat fuck? Because I couldn't think of anybody else. What about Ariana Grande or Drake? Brad Pitt, Payne Stewart, Michael Jordan, Michael B. Jordan, BTS. Eugene Levy, fucking John Lovett.
Oh my god.
Listen, Manny DeVito, Will Ferrell, Sarah Babu, Robin Ophelia, Quivers, Bill Cosby, he just got out. He's got time on his hands. Amy Winehouse. Dude, Amy Winehouse is fucking dead. Optimus Prime, Shipwreck, Cobra Commander, the fucking cunts from Riverdale. Alright, next time I fuck Baker, shut the fuck up. You don't want to be there till tomorrow.
I can't.
Not another word.
I'm sorry.
The fluid is potentially processed and...
I didn't kill that girl.
Yeah, so you said.
So they always say.
Yeah, but they can't prove it now, can they, Lucy Lou?
Oh no.
Because we're both Asian.
Check and see if they match those ones you found in the apartment or if someone's game in the system. Because I didn't fucking do it.
Like how you used to call my brother Prince Charming.
My brother was a handsome
He is really cute.
I'm gonna go out on...
Are you kidding?
No, it was really bulbous at the end. Caught me thimble.
Thimble?
Yeah, I was a late bloomer. I didn't go through puberty until my mid-20s. I mean,
Damn.
I didn't care, 'cause
Why are you saying their penises?
It's a locker room, dude. Maybe look at the towel.
So you just stare at each other's dicks and come up with names for them.
Alright, that's enough. I can't take it.
Not a fan of the Swedish metal there, eh?
Not especially, no.
Waller is funding us by secretly diverting funds from other operations, which leaves us on our own.
So it's just the 5 of us against an alien invasion?
And Mern?
Well, it's counting Mern's not diving back there because he's fucking useless.
Dude, what'd I say?
From the jungles of Nice.
Hey, that's the guy who played Marcus in the Twilight movies, in the Volturi. And I believe he played like a demon in Supernatural. Shout out to Supernatural fans. Azazel, I think.
Usual sledgehammer.
In Supernatural.
These days, Myrna, I'm barely bald keen. I'll take care of you.
Yeah, that's it.
I don't think that's the guy.
Amber,
Now's not the time to lie.
She slept with him too.
You're not taking that in there. I can't hear you. Make the fuck loud.
Fuck! I'm never ever gonna kill someone with a fucking chainsaw. It's so not fair.
Why does his voice sound different in the mask than outside? You know what I mean?
Hey, how you doing?
Okay, how are you?
Oh my god! Oh, they must have been butterflies. Damn! Woo! Oh! Oh no! I mean, ooh.
That shit they eat. There's literally 1,000 boxes of it in here.
Wow. Why is she shooting them afterwards?
Like they already killed him.
Right. Oh shit.
Whoa! Headshots, headshots. What are you doing? Sound like zombies.
Your friends are with Charlie. They won't last long. Who's Charlie? Our guardian angel.
Whoa.
There's a fucking.
Is that a gorilla?
How many people does this blow up?
I don't know. I did it this morning. Eat peace, motherfuckers!
Oh! Whoa! What gorilla is moving like that? Oh! Watch out! Oh! Did he just talk? Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Vigilante's gonna be so upset because he wanted to use a chainsaw. Did that gorilla just talk? It's like Gorilla Grodd from like The Flash and stuff. Wow. I'm sorry, headphone users.
Hardcore. Not bad, huh?
Yeah, not bad.
Aww.
I didn't do it, you fucking know it! Fucking.
What's going on?
He's just told he's not getting out of jail.
I thought that's what she wanted to happen.
Captain, what the hell is going on? Where's Captain Neely?
Well, the mayor wasn't pleased with the performance around the Stirphausen murder, so I'm replacing her.
Wait, he's a butterfly, right? Because he talked to Myrn, right? So the butterflies don't want Peacemaker in jail. I'm confused.
So, we guess this means butterflies can use any life form as a host.
Finding the source of the butterfly's food may be key to defeating them. But that can wait until tomorrow. Y'all are under arrest.
I mean, it would have been a lot cooler if Economos came in and he was like, hey, and then he tossed me the chainsaw across the room. And I'm like, solid toss, bro. And then I killed the gorilla. I had just said how much I wanted to kill someone with a chainsaw like 15 minutes earlier. And then Economos just coincidentally comes in and kills someone with one. I mean, it kind of seems like he was trying to fuck with me a little.
Fucking Jimbo.
What's his name?
It's Judy.
You're lying.
What?
Judge Judy. That's his name.
Yeah, Judge William Judy. It's a Swiss Army.
Oh.
Whatever.
I thought it was going to be the real Judge Judy.
So you said.
We need a search warrant. You ever heard of a guy named Peacemaker?
Come on in.
Oh my goodness. And then they're going to search his place. And if Adebayo plants the diary, what's in the diary though? Aww. And the fact that she was the one that made the group chat, that's cute. He's really working there.
What
Come in a minute, grab a drink.
Oh, and then she's gonna plant the diary. Wow. Kite Man from like Harley
Is
Quinn.
she your brother?
Yeah. Keith.
That sounds so disgusting. It's gonna taste nasty.
Oh my god.
Why would you give me a feces drink?
Hell, Chris, I don't know. Like, I doubt that you and her are a possibility, but hey, you never know. Well, we've all had each other's back today, right?
It's like a real team out there.
Yeah. The 11th Street kids.
That was such a nice moment. And this is where she's gonna betray him. You didn't even like really hide it. Yeah.
Don't forget to wash your hands.
I really want to know what's in there.
This job, this thing is fucking me up, and anyway, I love you, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Oh, she's gonna find out that Mern's a butterfly.
Activate X-ray vision.
Oh my god, watch out. I'm afraid he's gonna knock her out.
Yo, Mr. Mern, this is crazy. You gotta check this.
Damn! Oh no! No! Oh, damn! Oh, damn. First of all, how did he even know that, like, that mask could do that? As soon as she looked at him, he was like, ah! But why didn't Peacemaker... Well, he put on that helmet when they were already out on their mission. Why didn't he ever think to be like, ooh, let me just try this and see who's a butterfly and who's not on the team? Oh, man. So now I have a feeling Mern is gonna, like, trap her in some place and tell the team that, oh, she could no longer do the assignment or something to that extent. Detective Song and her partner are gonna go to Peacemaker's house. They're gonna find the diary and find out that Peacemaker's behind something and arrest him. And maybe hardcore vigilante and economics come in and save the day. I do not know. That was just, I didn't think the way one of them was gonna find out that Mern was a butterfly in that way. Oh man. And then I just really like that scene, that moment between Leota and Peacemaker. Just getting to see a different side to him. Like he said in, like, I think episode, like, 2. Was it 2 or 3? Where he's like, oh, you're a pusher. You push people away, etc., etc. And we get to see him be vulnerable with her. That's why it's going to suck when he finds out. I don't know if he'll find out that she was the one that planted the diary, or, you know, just overall find out that she betrayed him. Oh man, that was just, oh no. But alright, that was my reaction to episode 5. Oh my gosh, also that scene where Peacemaker was listing all those people, but the one that got me was the Bill Cosby one. But I really liked this episode. It had action. We got to see some of these characters be a bit vulnerable, be conflicted, especially with Leota on her secret mission that Waller assigned to her. Hardcore, we saw her soften up a bit. The fact that she captured that moment between all of them after this mission and creating like the group chat. You know, Vigilante being his usual self. I find it so funny how I was like, ugh, but now I find him really cute. Or the actor really handsome. But okay, thank you guys so much again. Again, if you are new, you can binge watch my Alice in Borderland, Arcane, The Witcher Season 2 episodes, and a little bit of Attack on Titan. Oh shoot, I gotta upload Attack on Titan today. But that'll probably be out before this. And I'm also gonna be uploading Peacemaker back to back, so you should see this episode and then right after my reaction to episode 6. But I hope you guys have a great day, and you will see me in the next video. Bye guys.